Greetings! Just a quick video to show you what I have done for March's Patreon tutorial. And it's a bit late this month, I know, but I was working on stuff. Anyway, this is what I have. It's a sort of twisted herringbone type dealio with 3 strands all attached to one side. You don't have to make this piece exactly the way it is. You can take the techniques that I have used and kind of make your own pseudo-braided thing. But I think it was a lot of fun to play with, and I might do something more with tendrils in the future, even on the main channel. But yes, so that's it with rounds. I did it with delicas too, but I didn't quite like the way it kind of flopped around, so I don't know, I like the rounds better. It's much more rigid and stiff and much more to what I was going for. So, if you would like to learn how to make this bracelet, check out my Patreon page down below. And the exclusive tutorial for that is up, and it's for the Muser tier, which is just $1. For $1 a month, you can get exclusive tutorials each month that I do not post here on YouTube. Or even if you want to be like, hey Odin, you're doing cool shit, here's $1. Check that out. Link is down below. And I hope to see you there. Okay, bye.